everyone. So this video is on my September month. So this is the first packet I've taken out. So let me show you what's inside. So these are the things that were inside my first packet. So I'll also show what's inside my second packet as well. Second packet as well. Let me take everything outside and keep so that you can have a look at what's inside. So yes, this is the first set of orders which I've got. So I'll just take you through one by one of my products that I've got. So this one is liquid here. Okay. So yes, it is liquid here now. So it is a men's hair and body wash. So the second one is the facial aftershave gel. So this is for men who, it's like a 2-in-1 facial aftershave gel and a moisturizing gel. So it will help your skin to be little moisturized. Okay, so especially men, after their shave, they have that rough kind of feeling. Okay, they have that burning sensation. This will help them to overcome that, and it gives a good moisturized feeling for their skin. So this one again I got it for my husband. Okay, and this was a new shaving and cleansing foam. Okay, so it can be used as a shaving foam and also a cleansing foam. It hydrates the skin very well. So I again got this for my husband this month. So I just wanted him to try this because it's a new body lotion. So Loving Care body lotion with natural almond milk. So it is really good. I thought of trying this, especially for kids. It's really good. Kids can have a good a fragrance by using this. The skin will be very soft. Definitely it can be used by kids, and definitely we can also use it. So I got a good review about it, and I thought, okay, let me try use. I thought of trying this, especially for kids. It's really a good a fragrance by using this. The skin will be very soft. Definitely it can be used by kids, and definitely we can also use it. So I got a good review about it, and I thought, okay, let me try using it. So I just got this this month, and I'm going to try this for the first time. This is a shower gel which I've got for this month. So it's in an offer price this month. So I thought of trying this. This is the first time I've got this lavender and cedar wood, as infused with essential oils of lavender and cedar wood. So it helps to have a relaxed and unwind kind of thing feeling when you use it. So have a body wash at evening. So it will definitely help us for that. So always a feel good thing. So I wanted to try this flavor. So I've tried other flavors. So this time I want to try this lavender and cedar wood flavor and see how it feels. And especially on this COVID situation, we are going out to so many places and we find like scary things happening. So we definitely want this as one of the most important thing in our house. Right? Each one of us definitely need it. So as a homemaker, I thought this should be there in my house. So it is one of the favorites which we use at my house. So I wanted to get this. This one is almost over for me, which I already bought. So this one has lemon and verbena with essential oils. So definitely you have so many products, but getting this with Oriflame, it's really a good one. Definitely must have product in everyone's house. Liquid hand wash, definitely a must need product in everyone's color power up foundation. So this is the foundation which I got. This was an offer. So this foundation is like everyday foundation which you can use, like if you're going to college, school, like work, or you're going out somewhere for shopping. Definitely must have product. It just takes 2 minutes for you to apply, and it gives you so much of radiance when you apply. So one of my favorites. So I got it because I wanted to buy one which is an offer this month. And same one color, I took a compact this month. So I will just show you how the compact normally it looks like inside. So this is how the cover looks. So maybe we can have a look at the box inside. So this is how it looks. So you have a mirror here. There's a mirror. So there's a sponge stuck here. So you get to see the mirror. So there's a sponge, and this is how it looks like. And I got it for my shade. So I thought of trying this. I wanted to try this and see how it looks, and I heard a good review about it. So I wanted to take this one, and definitely I will try, and maybe we'll tell you the review on how the face powder is all about. I took natural, guys. So I wanted to go a little natural. So I took this natural shade. So this is the one, and then I've taken one lip liner. So sorry, eyeliner. Sorry, it's not a lip liner, it's eyeliner. So I've taken one eyeliner. So it was in offer. So I thought of taking this eyeliner. So for myself. So I've taken this for myself. And then the concealer. So this concealer I've taken. So you can see it's the concealer. Okay, so I've taken this concealer just for my use, so personal use. So I've taken the one concealer, and again, so this one is the liquid eyeliner. So I've taken this liquid eyeliner for me. So it's long since I've got an eyeliner, so I thought let me get one eyeliner for myself. So this is the liquid eyeliner which I've got for myself. So this is it, and yes, I got a nail polish for myself. So the one nail polish, so I got this shade. It's kind of a purple shade, so I thought of trying this for myself. So I got this for myself. And comes the perfumes. So yes, the Joy's perfume. Okay, so there are 3 flavors. So this is an introductory product. So there are 3 flavors. So this is a rose. So this is rose I've got, and another one is this is turquoise, and third one is jade. So these are the 3 perfumes which I've got. I'll just open one and show how the bottle looks. It looks too cool, so I'll just open and show the bottle. So this is the bottle. It looks too cute, right? So this is what I've got. This is jade. So I just opened it for you guys to see how it looks. So basically this one I've got, and this is one of the flavors. So I just went for it. And coming to the next one, so this is the Optimal face mask. So this month it's an offer. So with Oriflame, when you do your 50 points, it's an offer. So I got this as an offer product. So I just took it because it's too good face mask. So I just took it off. So that's it, guys. My first set of products has come. So I'm waiting for my second set of products to arrive. So I'm just waiting. These are the products which I ordered this month. So for the first set. So this is my first set. So you can have a look at it. So these are the perfumes, and yes, this is what I've got for myself, family. So I'll be getting a few more to be coming. So I'll share the video once my second set also comes back. Okay, thank you.